Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Harris Float Boat 250 Crowne. We'll start up at the front. You'll notice the nice dock lights, the nice fiberglass. This makes this boat, you can tell what it is anywhere on the lake. Nice stitching on the bulwarks. Lots of storage under all the seats. Fusion stereo system. Also, these lights that you see on this boat change colors, so you can rotate through just about any color you want. We've got a ski locker. Here's your bass speaker on your stereo. Your exit door. Moving back on the helm, we've got lots of storage space under the helm for an additional cooler. High back captain's chair. This boat comes with a Simrad navigation system, your stereo system, full instrumentation. One of the nice features about this boat too is it comes with an electric hardtop. You'll notice the LED lighting throughout the roof. We have an additional sun pad back here that is electronic as well. Back aft, we have an additional stereo control to control on the back of the boat. You have two USBs and a 12-volt. Nice big storage under here as well. Here's where your battery switches are. And this boat has shore power as well, so you can charge your batteries on your boat dock. The nice thing about this boat is you have rails, you have entrances on the port and starboard side, built-in speakers. This boat comes equipped with a Mercury 350 Verado. This is a tri-tune boat, very stable on the water. If this is a boat that you're interested in and you want to see more of, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.